Alright guys, here we have Launsport 22B body kit. So this came all the way from Japan. This will be the first time I've opened it. Got some stickers, some sort of little pendant type guy. It's pretty cool. And this is impressive, is instructions how to install it and fill the gaps in your fenders. Pretty interesting. Most places probably wouldn't supply something like that. However, not totally a language I can read, but pictures are very helpful, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to continue on with removing the stuff from the box. Alright guys, there it is, and wow, is it sweet. It did really well in shipping. There's, no sort of shipping damage, but again, this is a body kit that mostly gets molded on, so you're going to be sanding a lot of it and whatnot. But yeah, really beautiful, incredible quality. Like, they've got every single tab. Very, very nice. Very nice. They even have the gas door extension, so you don't have to fiddle with that. Yeah, really nice. Like, these front fenders would just bolt right on. They've got every bolt hole in them. The front bumper is stunning, like super cool. Really happy with this. Very excited to get going on my coupe project. When will I begin this? That I am unsure of. I've still got a lot of projects currently I'm trying to finish. So for now, I'm going to take this body kit and find somewhere to put it in the shop. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely like and subscribe if you want to see how this car turns out, because the chassis itself is super clean. It has a straight cut STI gearbox in it, which is pretty radical, and I've got a bunch of other cool stuff I've been collecting for this project, so This is going to be something really special when it's done. Very cool.